was a kid, I ran a chainsaw a little bit without chaps. They really weren't available. At least I don't think they were available. Many years later, the man that we bought some property from was a woodcutter, and he had an accident. The only reason why he didn't die was because his son was cutting not too far away, and he heard the chainsaw stop. It was the winter time, and the woodcutter grabbed a whole handful of snow and smashed it into that big gash. He survived. He wasn't very pretty afterwards. But I got to thinking about it, and most people don't realize that the #1 most dangerous profession in the U.S. is being a lumberman, being a woodcutter. It's not my profession, but I'm not interested in killing myself with a chainsaw. So I wear the protective gear. Well, that saw works as well as the gas chainsaws we have. It has plenty of power. The chain's narrow, which means it'll cut a little easier than the Big Mac that I have. Well, thanks for watching. I'll give you some other hints about why we're doing it this way instead of the gas-powered chainsaw sometime later. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications because there's more stuff going on here. I'll talk with you later. Bye. There he is. Okay.
He says, I'm coming. It's not a rush. He says, ooh, that looks scary. I'll run away from that.
I was waiting for it until I saw him up here.
Yeah, the minute you moved that, he scooted sideways.
Well, he's a smart dog.
Sometimes. He's not real smart about cars and stuff sometimes.